So better standards, being able to show what standards and what skills you have to the employers. The possibility of enhancing employment opportunities, definitely, if you show that you have standards covered in your degree and you have skills that prove those standards, you have actually artifacts that show that you have accomplished all of these skills, that would improve your employability skills. And you will be able to evaluate your career goals. For example, if you have goals to complete certain certifications in the upcoming years, you would know when you're ready and how you need to get there. Develop organizational skills. One of the most demanding things about e-portfolios is that a stagnant or an old e-portfolio is definitely not effective if you want to apply for a job, or if you want to show your capabilities. You have to work on it periodically, if not daily, if not on a weekly basis, or at least twice a month. You should log back into your e-portfolio and think of what you have learned. If there's nothing to add to any of the artifacts, there will definitely be something to add in the reflection section. Now, reflection section is, you could have it in the form of a blog. We're going to discuss more about it when we get there, but this is also a benefit of an e-portfolio. And develop critical thinking skills. One of the best things about knowledge management and knowledge development is being able to relate your experience with your past experience with with the experience that you're currently having, being able to link them together. And if this learning becomes even more powerful if you have people around you who actually discuss on this topic. You have an interchange of ideas, you exchange ideas, and you change your view, and then you process the information, and then you internalize it. And that's actually when you grow cognitively. So this is one of the main advantages of an e-portfolio. It allows room for more critical thinking. And of course, the best thing that I like about e-portfolios is that when I look back, I'm like, wow, did I really do that? Did I really come this far? And how did I do this? So these are one of the nice feelings about e-portfolio. It's like an accomplishment, and it's like a milestone in your life. So hope you guys enjoy this course. Keep moving on, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.